Welcome to Stellar Career College, where we empower aspiring individuals like you to become successful radiologic technologists. In this video, we will take you through the incredible journey of pursuing a career in radiology and show you why Stellar Career College is your ultimate gateway to achieving your dreams. Get ready to embark on an exciting adventure that combines your passion for healthcare and technology. Let's dive in. Radiologic technologists play a crucial role in the field of healthcare. By operating advanced imaging equipment, they capture detailed images that aid in diagnosing and treating various medical conditions. When it comes to launching your career as a radiologic technologist, choosing the right educational institution is key. Stellar Career College is renowned for its comprehensive program that prepares students for the challenges and rewards of the profession. Our dedicated faculty, state-of-the-art facilities, and hands-on training ensure that you receive a top-notch education. At Stellar Career College, our curriculum is designed to provide you with a solid foundation in radiologic technology. You'll learn about anatomy, patient care, radiation safety, image production, and much more. We believe in learning by doing. That's why Stellar Career College emphasizes hands-on training. Our students have access to the latest imaging equipment and software, allowing them to develop their technical skills and gain practical experience. Through simulated scenarios and clinical internships, networking is crucial in any profession, and radiology is no exception. Stellar Career College has strong connections with healthcare facilities, clinics, and hospitals in the region. We facilitate internships and job placement opportunities, giving you a head start in building your professional network and securing employment upon graduation. Becoming a radiologic technologist offers a fulfilling and rewarding career path. As a Rad Tech, you'll work closely with patients, physicians, and other